Okay folks, now let's install Houdini 15.5, which I have just downloaded, and there is no Houdini in here at all, and this is the Nuke 10 that I download directly from the Foundry product. Use the same tutorial that I have already made in the past, and use the crack that you got from Nuke 9, and everything is working fine. And Hero is given free to you when you install Nuke 10. Okay, now let's install this. I believe the installation is the same as my previous video. Okay, this is a 9 Nagas that I render in RenderMan at the lowest resolution. It took around 2 hours to get that one done. Okay, now let's cut to crap. I go to the camera root, and this is the file. Simply extract that. You got this. And now let's go into that folder, cd into that folder, and we need to check we have the Houdini.install here. Let's run the command if we can get it to work. /Houdini.install. Yes, it's worked. So press spacebar to get it down all the way through, and then yes, and then press spacebar one more, press Y, yes, and press number 5 because you want the engine to go for Maya. Houdini server, Houdini client, whatever, I don't know, apprentice license, I don't know. I simply hold my enter down and it's done. Okay, it's running through sync, and next step that I will have to do is to expand this, because we are going to do a lot of copying and pasting. So I will need to control N to open a new window. I'm using CentOS 7 with Matty desktop, I don't know. Now it's time to come back here, look into the crack folder, and we look into the Linux instructions. The second step is they want you to go into the Houdini folder and then write this command. Okay, now it is done. Simply cd to exit it out, and then cd again into the Houdini folder, which is located in, I think I will need to tag this opt somewhere. No, let's put it there, opt, and then you see this is Houdini. Okay, drag and drop the file, press enter, and then you type source Houdini underscore setup, press enter. There you go. The next thing that you need to do is to stop the license server, which is this one. Copy and then paste it there and stop it. The license server is stopped. So the next step is to extract the keygen.ra. Ooh, I don't have RA. I'm sorry about this, guy. You need to be patient with me a little bit, as I will need to install it from Umic. At the same time, the license server is stopped. We need to come to this Linux crack. We need to give it the executable permission. Oops, sorry. Drag and drop it, and then we copy it over to usr libcc. So sudo cp mean copy dash r the relative file, mean copy that specific file, that one file, over to usr libcc. Why do I know that? Because it is in usr libs and then cc. Yes, that's it. It's here. Okay, cool. Now that has already been copied, we need to install ra, unra, and boom, there we go. Sorry for the slow internet connection that I have. Okay, now we see this. I don't care, I simply run them all. I use Meta Desktop because it is faster and it is the classic GNOME 2. GNOME 3 is slow and crash all the time. Some people prefer KDE, which is cool. I mean, most studio in Hollywood, they use KDE because it provides them with a lot of functionality and cool stuff. Yes, I'm used to the classic way of GNOME and Windows XP, so yep, I'm the old school. I'm using my same machine of 24 core HP Z800. Yes, see. Okay, it's done. Now we extract it. Boom. Now we have already replaced the license server. Now let's start the license server again, since we have already replaced it with the cracked one by changing from stop to start. The license server is starting. Boom, it starts. So we need to give the executable permission to the keygen here. Press enter. There you go. Now we go to application. We go to side effect software. Houdini, I call it Dini, it's easier. We run the license server. And the license server is popping up. Connecting to the license server, which is this one that we have already copied over to USR with CC. Now it's okay. We check it. Oops, sorry about this. Okay, this is my computer, which is the okay, I want to have it like a cool Mac. Okay, forget it. So I need to drag and drop this keygen over here and press enter. It asks for, hey, enter the server name. Yes, I call it my machine, and then the license server code, which is 294FC5E and 8. I press enter. So I need to copy the first one is the server. Come to this one, file, manually enter the key, Control V. I copy this one. I'm sorry, the way I do it is for dummy only. If you are a smart geek and you know your way faster than this, stop following this tutorial, go straight. Okay, and the fourth one, you can copy anyone, all of this except the non-commercial. Copy all of this, it's up to you, as long as you have the license server done, which is this one. Okay, I prefer the first 5, that is it. Press accept, and boom, it will say okay with everything successfully done. I believe so, because you see. Let's see if Houdini 15.5 has just been released a few days ago. It's working. Click it. Voila, you see 15.5. How cool. The modeling tool and wow, a lot more. This is the powers of Houdini. But still, I'm testing it to see if there is any error just like before. Pull it up. Yep, rigid body. Make it a rigid body dynamic. Press enter. Okay, and then make it a breakable object. Select it. Press enter. And then create a ground plan, which I don't want to see. And then press up arrow key to do the simulation. And it's broken. Cool. So to get that to go further than this, we come to the Pyro FX. What do we want to see? Maybe a billowy smoke. So I click on that one, I select this one. Okay, hold on a second, I undo it a little bit. I select this one, I click on this billowy smoke, and it is cooking, and we press up arrow key to see the simulation, and it doesn't work. Ha ha ha. Up to come back, and okay, now we see it. Yes, nice. Okay folk, it's depend on what you do now, and I hope you can get it to work, and I'm not going to show you the technicality of everything here. Okay, thanks for watching. Happy dining. Okay.